First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister Biren wants rebel groups to find political solution with centre. Eight states of Northeast to participate in Manipuri Mela in Gujarat. And Manipur's historic Thong Nambonbi caps in. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that let us forget and forgive our past mistakes and put our collective efforts to uphold the integrity of the nation as well as the state. Biren made the statement at the 186th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh observed at the Samadhi of the Maharaj located at Langthabal, Imphal West today. Speaking as chief guest, Chief Minister stated that there will be peace and prosperity in the state only when we commit ourselves to build unity and integrity among the communities living in the state. Chief Minister lamented that identity politics had affected in the growth and development of the state. Chief Minister said that what we are today is because of all the selfless sacrifices made by our forefathers.
Sidi akui Langthabal kendra gi ngakta lakpi gada banate sugum basida di civil society organization library student organization aduga kala gi theater da aduga laibak sigi da laiba political party punamaki lakada bani ningsang gada bani makhong na thong laga aphang ba gari la kan lai mana ma kal gada bani madugi spirit tuni laibang ning baje hida ka pa nang laibang ning shiwo nang shibiaro laibang ning ba is inborn I the yaw gada bani Nasi sahi tare khunta pa thomdraba sahi tare khunta aga tawramiba kangbu dubo ekhoina tan thomdraba Gambhir Singh Maharaj leiramdraba Narasingha Maharaj leiramdraba Hirasandra thomdraba ngasi ekhoi sumaina leigadra leiroidra si khanbaduni ekhoina mathok taris adugi damakta ne ekhoina makhoi gi murti sarise murti ema sarga ta ningsang bat adu natte ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ feelings ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯏꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯉꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯋꯤꯟ river Gambhir Singh Maharajꯒꯤ Narasingha Maharajꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ history Brahma ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯀꯣꯛ ꯃꯟꯗꯤꯔꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯣꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ Gambhir Singh Maharajꯅ Narasingha Maharajꯅ ꯊꯥꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯜꯂꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯐꯝ
The Chief Minister Biren affirmed that the territorial boundary and integrity of state will remain intact. He continued that the long-time demand for the implementation of Inner Line Permit ILP system has been fulfilled by the centre under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Highlighting the demand of Manipur University Students' Union MUSU to shift the Assam Rifles AR post from Manipur University campus, Chief Minister said that the request is genuine and will urge the central government to shift the Assam Rifle post from university campus. Biren also urged the people to request the rebel groups to find an amicable political solution with the centre.
Tourism ne horticulture ne singi lamdana ayamba koi horticulture da priority piece hai na nai nabad ki kari ki mayam loi kaur ka meeting dawe hai base da koi tampak ki dana agriculture ki poche agriculture horticulture bot yai anu masi ai khoi da ai CM office da or concerned departments in the apply to biro tawbudabu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯎꯠꯄꯤ ꯕꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯕꯨꯛ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ one by one ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ officialsing spotꯇꯨꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ground waterꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ technical support ro government ki pigani aduga mari leidana madugi darkar leiba senfam maru marang du thana na bagi aduga hayeng madu akhoi gi chaba lema madung da thadok na bagi kem wabirono mandi edna honorable prime minister gi makhada akhoi gi e-marketing ama overall India sida da pot leina na bagi hanga ga leigre any akhoi na pot sima lei na tanglauna net thagat ki matam na dum lobula adab.
Later, Chief Minister Biren led the participants in paying floral tributes to the statues of Maharaj Gambhir Singh and Maidingu Narsingh and Sana Hirachandra on the occasion. A contingent of Manipur Rifles offered a guard of honor and gun salute and sounding of last post as a mark of respect to Gambhir Singh, Narsingh and other unsung heroes. Minister for CAF and PD Sri Karam Siam, Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Dr. Ranjan Sapam, Chairman Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radha Kishore, Chairman of Manipur Building and Others Construction Workers Welfare Board H. Dingo, MLA of Yai School Constituency T.H. Satyabrata, DGP, top civil and police officials and large number of people attended the observance. The 8 states of the Northeastern region will participate in the upcoming Madhapur Mela in Gujarat to be held on 2nd of April this year. The annual fair is held at Madhapur Gate in Porbandar district a day after the Ram Navami festival. The Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Development of Northeastern Region donor Dr. Jitendra Singh chaired a high-level meeting with senior officials of the Gujarat government in New Delhi on Wednesday to review preparations for the mega festival. Secretary Northeastern Council NEC S.S. Moses Chalai and senior officers of NEC besides resident commissioners, representatives of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Manipur were also present during the meeting. Dr. Jitendra Singh directed the officials that besides Madhapur events including cultural performances, crafts, display and food festivals of the Northeast region be showcased in other major cities of Gujarat including Ahmedabad to generate wider interest among the local population. He suggested that a logo bringing out the common links between Gujarat and the Northeast be designed and the Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR, Journal Cultural Center, JCC's Song and Drama Division of Information and Broadcasting Ministry besides the concerned departments of the state governments be actively involved in various activities. A multimedia publicity campaign will be launched on March 1st, 2020 to popularize the Madhapur Mela. This will mark the cultural integration of Gujarat with the Northeast under the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he added. The historic Thongnambonbi or Hump Bridge of Khwairamban Bazar collapsed today. The bridge is a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. Thongnambonbi, located in the heart of Imphal city, was constructed by British engineers in 1854 during the reign of King Chandrakirti. In July 2019, the authority closed the bridge to all kinds of traffic, including pedestrians, following the bridge developed cracks. Director of Art and Culture Aribam Sivdas inspected the bridge.
Monument or a bridge as single revenue, Modoki processing of the Makat Satadunus Lakbani, Adobo Kango and Sigi Asumba, type of Tibet, Palana Tolo Puchida, Hoyi, Matamohi Tim Dusu, Hoyi, Hoyi Bazeta, Hoyi Sigi, Hoyi budget Nataba, Hoyi Bazeta, Hoyi send over proposal Taro, Habaki Karosi Laga, but the processed under processed lady, Hoji, a Hoyi Sabi of Indiaga. Galata Tatra Ponga Mahogi Sparsing to Lack Yangamavani, Madoki project was Hoyi Sanga Karina Saraga, Rutaraga, Hoyi Yamatuna, Tumotan Marunda, High Vokanosis, and Southern Bogi, Step Lakolaga Legeri, Shimotan Tamjaka.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, National Reconsolidation Day observed in Manipur and Assam.
Aina kanbang khulai ai no mate MLA wege su khallu de angang wori ngai da aina tawjagi ba thabak sing sorana khara thamjaba ai minister oirkane su aina thajabadi thamudi adubu mioi ba se faring chumna chatlaga di anything happen adum oirakpa yaba poni thawoina oige khalludrasu aigi tawjariba activities mayam duna prajana adugi wema lambi ma khoida taklay.
Welcome back after the break. President of United People's Front UPF, W2nd today urged the people of Manipur to build and maintain a sense of togetherness and unity. He was speaking during the National Reconciliation Day observance at Lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. National Reconciliation Day was observed in connection with the 186th death anniversary of Maharaj Chinglen Nongden Khomba, popularly known as Gambhir Singh. The function was attended by President of Jalengrong Union, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland, Amukamai, President of Kuki NP Manipur, Mangcha Haukep, Secretary of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Abdul Hakim Shah, President of Minority Socio-Cultural Organization Manipur, Mom Sokam Bapui, and Professor of Department of Anthropology MC Arun. The UPF President W2nd further urged the people of the state to recall the strong resistance showed by Maharaj Gambhir Singh against the carnages committed by our now Myanmar during the 7 years devastation.
Matamdugi sahitere kuntakpada thokibagi adugumloba wafamsing ado ngasi ekoi Manipur asida ekoi lakhigedra haibagi akiba adu phaujarakanda United People Front UPM na ekoi unite oirasi ekoi apunba Manipur nationalism amada ekoi punna hingminaba punna sakhonminaba haibadumlo pandamaduda ekoi ngasi asigumloba 9 January asi National Reconciliation Day haina ekoina sinjarakanda adu ngamba Maharaj Gambhir Singh gi laikhidraba chamaga maripuga taruk subasi ekoina pangthokjabani.
Chahi Taret Khuntakpa or 7 years devastation reconciliation day 2020 was observed today at Shivsagar of Assam. Manipur Kala Sanskrit Vikash Kendra Singhadwar in association with ULASCO Imphal jointly hosted the event. The day also marked the 186th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh of Manipur. The participants paid floral tributes to Maharaj Gambhir Singh on the occasion. During the function, Chinglen Nongden Khomba Award was conferred on Ngathem Prem Babu and Manau Ibungo Meidingu Chingthang Len Pamheba Ningsing Khonga Award on Senjam Samarjit. At the event, Assistant Professor of Rabindranath Tagore University Samurai Latpam Dizamani Sharma talked on the life of Maharaj Gambhir Singh and the 7 years devastation. The observance also witnessed cultural program performed by children of Shivsagar and Performing Artists Center, Khurai, Imphal.
After the 7 years devastation, he was the person who united the people outside the Manipur and fight back to the Burmese who was reigning during that time in Manipur for 7 years. And that 7 years period is, in the history of Manipur, it is a very catastrophic day because it was some sort of genocide to the Manipuris, and that led to the settlement of Manipuris outside the Manipur and particularly in Assam. So the days, it is very important to recall those days so that such certain causes of the 7 years devastation need to be understood today, because such days should not be returned back or should not be come again. And very important for the understanding for the present generation as well as for the future generation, so that such days should not become again.
A man was died and another was injured following a major road misstep that took place at Khwairamban area of Bishnupur district today. A report said that the fatal accident happened when a speeding car collided with a Suzuki Access scooter the two were riding on. The deceased has been identified as Mohammad Bothe Khan, aged 21 years of Bishnupur Ward number 2, while the injured was identified as Mohammad Ibomcha, aged 26 years, also from Bishnupur Ward number 2. All Manipur Students Union AMSU Human Resource Development Secretary Bruce Pebam was warned of agitation if the state government fails to look into the slew of issues surrounding Dhanamanjuri University DMU Imphal on time. Talking to reporters at the AMSU headquarters Imphal, Bruce further said that though the DMU is affiliated to the Association of Indian Universities, it does not have Vice Chancellor, Exam Controller and Academic Council, causing problem in declaring examination results on time. The AMSU leader also expressed displeasure over making students of the university to pay extra charges for youth festival and fees for inter-college sports while taking admission.
Lengak asina hariba pointing asi tha taruki manung haibadi mamangi December tha faw manung da onthok pigini haibani adubu hariba assurance asing adu fulfill tawdre amasum tawbagi maming asi phawda tadre haiba tare aduna atopa point amadana koigi University olakpa matamda DM gi mahairoi singna phangadaba youth festival gi participation aduga inter college sports gi participation gi damakta koigi oiba hojik fawba fee structure dagi mahairoi sing gi paisa kakli mahairoi khudimak tagi adubu sahi ani hena masigi facility sidi mahairoi singna phangba ngamdre masina maram orakana koina haijening badi university sigi oiba chap chaba magi independently inter college youth festival amasum inter college ki sports musician bam thoi masi chinma ngamoida bo itadi mahiroi singi mafam da ka iba fi asi maram chadi amasum handok khigadabni haiba wafam si em suna mari lenaba authority singi mafam da thamjari
DMU gi makhada leiba satra singi ul khangbiraga em suna thambiriba wafam singdu akoi DMU gi makhada leiba student sing student union sing DM college of science student union DM college of art student union DM Commerce Student Union amadi GP Women College Student Union punna kaigumba leibakna lengakna thabak tonthok bit taragadi punna khongjin changjanagani haina ware lare.
Joint Service Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan Ramsa Teachers Association Manipur JSRTAM has threatened to launch democratic form of agitation from 13th of January in protest against the state government's failure to clear 6 months pending salaries and also failure to take steps to promote teachers. Talking to media today at Manipur Press Club Imphal, JSRTAM Vice President Nongmaithem Prakash Chandra expressed this may overstep motherly treatment meted out to teachers of SSA and Ramsa allegedly by the Manipur government. He said the association has already submitted a memorandum to the government to fulfill their demands, but the concerned department is not paying any heed to the demands. Prakash Chandra declared that the SSA and Ramsa teachers will defy government order relating to posting and transfer of teachers and will not cooperate with the state government's school Fagadhansi mission from 13th of January if the long pending demands are not met at the earliest.
Aikoi ojasing si magi posting da chattaba masi posting chattaba sidi Manipur government na conditionally ko bisathandabane tha taruk tolo phangdrabu ojamana kamaina arapom phamna tabadi rented house le rudoini aduga ojak ke amana bus na private vehicle na chaturim neba adu bhara leitana kamaina koi chattoino ba school namada SSA amasung RMC ojasinga state ki ojasinga punna phaminarga laik taktori baneba adubu tolop su sang naina phangdaba promotion ju kadaba kanabagi lambi su leitaba second class teacher or second class citizen amgi thakta lerba koina first class ki thakta laikraba tolop su sang naina phangba promotion ju kanabagi lambi leiba ka ju ka bo oja sing duga koi punna phaminar kamani laik takadori nova 2020 gi board ki council ki exam pangthoragani masida koi oja sing na duty logdaba haibadi invigilator oina yaudaba Oja singna, guardian singna, every section of society the level mio singna support to viduna, ma ipa an viduna, masi akoi Manipur quality education porok nabagi, lambido, masuda akoi oja singna, aso ubo thogdang lohon bi haiwa phamsi thamjari.
Health pour-in for Irengbam Sangita of Uripokho Islamlika Imphal after TOMTV aired an exclusive story about her life on 5th of January. Sangita and her family have been facing extreme poverty. Moreover, she is a leprosy patient. Development Committee Uripok Ward number 6 extended monetary aid to Sangita besides providing a housing loan for the family under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Housing for All. Talking to TOMTV, Uripok Ward number 6, Councillor Taurangbam Indrajit urged Chief Minister N. Biren to help Sangita and her poverty-stricken family.
Housing phone ki or gi adu program asigi makhada hojik beneficiary amoina leiriba adu sothara leiriba adu ga jumlei kari sadan leiriba anaba amgo loina na singdiba asibu athu matamda adugi priority do mayam de gi kar khudong chaba pibiraga adugi khudung jumung chabai khudong chaba do pibi haina ngasigi honorable chief minister gi puning asi akoi gi ward development committee information corporation 176 ki maike de gi akoi gi honorable chief minister gi mapamda nurung na thamjari.
Communist Party of India CPI Manipur State Council has condemned the delay in the arrest of the people involved in the recent JNU violence. The students and teachers of Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU were attacked by masked miscreants inside the varsity campus on January 5th. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. Security has been beefed up in Imphal city after unknown assailants hurled a hand grenade yesterday at AG office located close to Chief Minister Bungalow and Manipur Police Headquarters, but it did not explode. Imphal West Police Commando conducted search operation near Nagamapa Lining Thau Ising Chaibi area this morning. Around 130 people were verified during the operation, but no one was picked up or arrested. Republican Party of India State Committee President Mahesh Thaunawsam today presented gift to senior citizens of Kesamthong constituency Imphal. During a simple function held at Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Mandap Kesamthong Thangzam Leirak, talking at the occasion, Mahesh said that the gifts were distributed to senior citizens to give them some comfort during this winter season. Mahesh added that he will continue presentation of such gifts in other parts of Kesamthong constituency in days to come.
Kain pamjani aina pamjaba amade kari no haiba matamda ai aro living tawjare yam aro living tawra pasida taseng na haragadi yumda ishwar khormaga thokpa budi baba ma khorma thokpasina ai wonda hen energy phangeba ai wonda hen mangol oyeba aduna hoji chadani phamphang sida ayen apan mayam lakpa yai lakin lakshanu adubu Pabung hoy mama mangol da liap tan tibi lagani kanam tan yit tong namoy hay base ay thasaba ache pathasaba mani aduna pabung hoy mama hoy lebi ba mayam sina nupa thokna chanasa san chansun ba any khom thang da ayen pa leitana sansan chasunu hay bagi mangol do nizabani adu.
Days before a court issued the death warrants against all 4 convicts in 2012 Nirbhaya Delhi gang rape case, one of the convicts today filed a curative petition in the Supreme Court. Convict Vinay Sharma's lawyer AP Singh said a curative petition in the Supreme Court seeking a stay on the death penalty. 4 convicts in the sensational 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case will be hanged on January 22nd at 7 a.m. in Tihar Jail. 16 envoys will be visiting Kashmir today, where they will meet civil society members and be briefed on the security situation there. The envoys are mostly from Latin American and African countries. Meanwhile, the European Union country envoys have conveyed to the center that they will visit the UT on a separate date and insisted on meeting the prominent leaders of the region who are still under detention, including former chief ministers Farooq Abdullah, Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti. As per media reports, the envoys visiting will also go to Jammu, where they will meet Lieutenant Governor J.C. Murmu and other officials before returning to Delhi tomorrow. The visit comes 5 months after Article 370 was struck down by Government of India and Union territories were carved out of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. China's Vice Premier Liu He, head of the country's negotiation team in Sino-US trade talks, will sign a Phase 1 deal in Washington next week. The Commerce Ministry said today. According to media reports, Liu will visit Washington on January 13 to 15 next. Negotiating teams from both sides remain in close communication on the particular arrangements of the signing. Earlier on December 31st last, the US President Donald Trump said that the Phase 1 deal with China would be signed on January 15 at the White House. Trump also said he would sign the deal with high-level representatives of China and announced on traveling to Beijing for next phase talks. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Manipur's Maisna Mairaba Luwang officially has become World Junior ranked number 3 in Under 19 Single of Badminton World Federation (BWF). According to BWF Junior Ranking 2020, Mairaba has won 7 BWF International Junior tournaments in 2019. Mairaba recently bagged a bronze medal at the Yonex Singharosa BTY Junior International Challenge 2019 held at Bangkok, Thailand. He won the 19 men's single at White Knight Russia Open International Championships 2019 and also bagged a bronze medal at Bulgarian Junior International Badminton Championship 2019 held at Pazardzhik City, Bulgaria. At the ongoing Under-15 Junior Boys Football League Tournament 2019-2020 at Moirang M Higher Secondary Ground of Bisnupur District, SYDPO defeated TUC by 3-0 in a match today. In another match, PIC beat UKC by 7-0. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren wants rebel groups to find political solution with centre. Eight states of notice to participate in Madhapur Mela in Gujarat. Manipur's historic Thong Nambonbi capsule. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.